Starting with the next question on not-for-profit organization. Let's read the question. Following information has been provided. Balance sheet as on 1/4/2012. Prepaid rent are assert 1000. Receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2013. So receipts is nothing is mentioned. Payments by rent paid, now 2 years rent, 12/13 and 13/14 is given, total 6000. Adjustment given, current rent still unpaid, this is outstanding rent of the current year, 2500. Find current year rent to be placed in income and expenditure account. So the first thing that you will do is find which is the current year, previous year and next year. So previous year, my previous year will be, look here, balance sheet of 1/4/2012 is given. That is your opening balance sheet. So 11/12 is your previous year. Now current year, 11/12 year ending to see 31/3/2013. So 12/13 is your current year. And next year, what is your next year? Next year will be 13/14. So 11/12, 12/13 and 13/14. Let's start with the solution. What we have to find? We have to find the amount to be placed in income and expenditure account. Okay, so just first see what is the rent paid for the total year, be it of 12/13 or 13/14. Just write rent paid 6000. Now our formula is add outstanding of the current year and less prepaid of the current year. Add outstanding less prepaid. You should remember this. Add outstanding less prepaid of the current year. So outstanding rent of the current year, current rent still unpaid is 2500. So 2500, add 2500 as it is outstanding of the current year. Now prepaid of the current year, look here, the year is 12/13 and for 13/14 they have paid 500, that is paid in advance. So subtract 500, add outstanding and prepaid of the current year, and simultaneously take the balance sheet. You know these two items are of current year, so they also need to be placed in the balance sheet. Now where will you place the outstanding rent? Outstanding rent is my liability. So in the liability side, outstanding rent. How much it is? For the current year 2500. So in current year balance sheet 2500, and prepaid for the current year is my asset because I have paid it in advance. So prepaid rent is my asset. 500 will come here. Only the current year outstanding and current year prepaid will come in the current year balance sheet. When we do the adjustments of last year, they have been done in last year balance sheet, so they will not be shown here. So let's proceed. 500 I have taken. Add outstanding current year less prepaid current year. Now what you have to do, there will be two more adjustments. Outstanding, now this will be previous year, and prepaid of previous year. देखो करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग को हमने ऐड किया था, तो प्रीवियस ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग को लेस करो, और यहाँ पे है माइनस प्रीपेड करंट ईयर, सो ऐड प्रीपेड करंट ईयर. Is there any outstanding of previous year? No, I can't see any outstanding of previous year. कुछ amount है नहीं इधर. Now prepaid rent, see last year balance sheet, prepaid rent दिया हुआ है 1000 prepaid rent को इसमें से हटाना पड़ेगा. So 1000 prepaid rent, add 1000 and 6000 plus 2500 less 500 and add here, add करना है prepaid का, add 1000 comes up to 9000 and this 9000 will go in income and expenditure account of the current year, that is 1213 के income and expenditure में जाएगा. Let's recap. What is the formula? Whatever is paid, get it here, then add outstanding less prepaid of current year and less outstanding and add prepaid of the previous year. So we get the amount to be taken to income and expenditure account, which amounts to 9000 here, and only the current year items has to be taken to the balance sheet. Outstanding rent is my liability, so outstanding rent is placed here, and prepaid rent is my asset, so prepaid rent is in the asset column. So this is done. Let's take with the next question.